Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Dibrugarh University account. Let's get started. So to log into your Dibrugarh University account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Dibrugarh University login. And after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which is Login Dibrugarh University Admission Portal. And after tapping on that option, it will directly take you to this login page, and from here in the right side of your screen you can find these two options. In the first option you have to enter your phone number, and in the second option you have to enter your password. Just simply enter your details. So after entering your details, now what you can do is just tap on login. Now after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot your password. Now after tapping on forgot your password, you can just reset and record your account's password. So just tap on that option if you have forgotten your password. And after creating a new password, just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created. After entering the new password that you have created, just tap on login and then successfully log. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your university's account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.